Hello Cook Class, this is our maths lesson today. First thing we're going to do today is we're going to practice counting to 10 and we're going to use our fingers. Can you join in with me and practice counting to 10? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you practice that so that you say all the numbers in the right order. Now, the next thing we're going to do is, this looks like a 5 frame, and we've been using 5 frames at school to help us practice counting to 5. Now, today, I want to show you what a 10 frame is. 10 frame. So a 10 frame is just like a 5 frame, except we can use it to count 10 objects. Now, in your emergency pack, you have a 5 frame, and last week or so ago, you made 5 frames if you didn't have one. Now, today, if you can get your 5 frame, it'll help you to make it into a 10 frame. So, can you stop the video and get your 5 frame? Fantastic. Have you got your 5 frame? Brilliant. Now, to make a 10 frame, you're going to need to make your 5 frame bigger. Let me show you how I did it. So I started off with a 5 frame, just like this. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Now, to make a 10 frame, all you've got to do is make another 5 squares underneath. You can do it on one piece of paper, or you could put 2 5 frames and stick them together, and it will make a 10 frame. Okay, so just like we do with our 5 frame, we need to fill it up. Remember, how many objects can we put in each box? That's right, 1 in each box. I'm going to use my magnets. You can use whatever you like. So once your 10 frame is ready, stop the video if you need more time to make it. Well done. Now we can fill up our 10 frame. So I'm going to use my magnets, like I said. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we'll get some more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, my 10 frame is full. And if it's full, that means, like a 5 frame, when it's full, it's the number. So, when it's full, it's 10. So, when our 5 frame is full, that makes 10. So, how many magnets have I got? That's right, I have 10. Now, like we did with our 5 frame, we're going to play some games. Can you remember what games you played with your 5 frame? That's right, we played rock, paper, scissors. We played a throwing game. So you can choose whichever one of those you want to play and use your 10 frame to keep score. Now, because there's a lot more times that you have to play, it might get a little bit confusing. So what I suggest you do is you have 2 different objects. So if I was going to play against you, I would have my counter, my magnets, and for one person, so you need to decide who's going to have which row, and then you have a go at playing the game. So not who has which row. Sorry, what you do is you choose 2 objects. So Miss Lynch is going to have magnets and some paper strips. I might have to use my magnet to put it up, but it's still a paper strip. So if we were playing a game, we'll take all the magnets off because we're going to fill up. So you will need 10 magnets, or 10 of one object and 10 of another. Now, so I've only got to check that you have 10. So let's check. So I'm going to count my paper strips to make sure I have 10. And I'm going to put them on. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, to make it easier to count, you can line them up. So you can go 1, 2, and so on, and make sure that you have 10. So when you've got 10 of each object, what you need to do now is choose one of your games, and then you can play it and keep score using your 10 frame. So the challenges for you are, first thing you need to do is choose an object, fill up your 10 frame, and tell me how many you have. Try to remember that if it's full, it means you have 10. The next thing you can do is, like I said, play a game using 2 different objects or 2 different colours to keep score on who wins with the 10 frame. And then you can also use your 10 frame to try to make number bonds to 10. You can write number sentences to practice. Okay? Share on Tapestry how you've found using your 10 frame and let me know. I can't wait to see what you get up to. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye.